Hello beautiful family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, hey, today I have a quick one to share with you. That's the normally station never end. You guys know that today, Monday 21st of October 2024, is Biafra Republic government sit at home. That is when they declare that sit at home every Monday for a very long time now, almost 4 years since the adoption of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A lot has been happening, and his spiritual son, the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu disciples, the person of Simon Ekpa, declared sit at home, and since then it has been a talk of the town. It has been a talk of the country. It has been a talk of everywhere. Meanwhile, the DOS, they are against the sit at home. Why? According to the report that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is also against the sit at home. That is one of the reasons why the Biafra Prime Minister said he's not going to take any order from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And since then, a lot has been going on. So all of a sudden, today, the 21st of October 2024, Governor Soludo of Anambra State declared great war between the sit-at-home, his people, the Biafra Prime Minister, the IPOB, and every other person that is involved. He went to the market square and he told them to always keep coming to market every day. According to him, the slogan that he used, if you not work, you not go shop. He's not the only one. Peter Uba of Enugu State also made a great report to his workers. He even threatened not to pay them if any of them try and kinikon, that because of sit at home, they did not come to work, that is going to show them pepper. I will not talk too much. I want to follow up the video. Please make sure you watch it to the end and do well to share it. Let it go there so that everybody will know exactly what is happening. Sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Tata bụ Monde, ana m akpaghalị Anambra niile ka ndị shọ na anyị dị mma. Ebu m ụzọ gaa kwụsị ebe ndị omekome gbagburu ndị mmadụ ụnyaahụ. Ejere m ebe ahụ Peter, anyị nwa na ebe akwa. Anambra na-eru uju. Ndị kọlt a, ndị anọ na kọlt na-agbagbusi onwe fa, anyị na-declare a big war on them. Anyị ga-achọta ndị amelienụ. And ndị anọ n'ime kọlta ife anyị na-agwa fafa chọrọ ịdị ndụ pasi Anambra because ogbu mma ga-ama na mma, ọgba egbe ga-ama na egbe.
Soludo solution! Solution!
Ka nkwụsị kene ụnụ, Anambra ga-adị mma. Ndị si na aga na-enwe na ndị na-eme sit at home. Onye ji mmadụ narị ma gịnị? Onye ji mmadụ narị ma gịnị? So ụlọ na-ege ntị, achọrọ m ike na ụnụ bụ ndị pụta anụ. Why Savannah, this sit at home doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense. But, yeah, IPOB Kugo, Nafa support was sit at home. Now they can Kugo, they support was sit at home. A Kuro name or they no, a begging, or they can onye meeting no munna. Abaso iwe ọnala obi esi na ya ma erizi nni. Ndị ụmụnna ejewalugo mitin ụmụnna na-eme mitin ịnọdịbeghị agụụ eme gịnị? Ịfụrụ ndị nne nwaanyị a mụọ anyị akpọwasịrị ife esifa sit at home, ụfọdụ ife ndị ba nwere emebie, ego fa ji azụ afịa agbalie. Ndị na-akwa baro fụnọ ife ọkwata na mbọsị ka ọ ga-ejili nri agụụ a na-agụ ya na ndị bi ya. Ọbara uru onye ka ị na-emebute? Onwe anyị ka anyị na-emebute. Ọpịa dịka anyị ji wee sị na Monday sit at home, ọ ndị be anyị na-ata afụfụ ya. Anyaba afụfụ ga-ebe. Ọpịa ọ bụrụ onye na-alụ mesin, bụrụ onye na-alụ ikeketa olie, onye na-anya ọkada, onye na-anya keke, esi ya Monday sit at home. Monday sit at home, afụfụ ya bụ nyanwa. Ụnụ ọghọtakwa ife m na-ekwu. Onye ka anyị ji wee sị na Monday sit at home doesn't make any sense. Our people suffer, your businesses suffer, the daily artisans and those who earn their living on daily basis suffer, and there is no effect. I want to suffer. Okay? So nice and Monday sit at home will have to end. Oh, for there are a few places that still have that in Anambra. Most of the other places are open and doing their business. Are you with me? So I'm happy that you people have come out, the market is open, and you are doing your business. Okay? Or if I personally name, the Bible says he who does not work, let him not eat. Or if I cool. So I don't ask you no. Uno na eme ọfụma ma ịpụta. Mgbafe ka m na-agbafe. Wee fụ na unu jụrụ ebe niile wee sị ka m pụtasịa n'ụlọ aka. Pụtasịa ka m saa aka. Ndị nwe nke a bụrụ.
So let us also move to the one that Peter Mbah from Enugu State, what he said about the sit at home to his workers is going to keep you wondering.
The first declaration he made was that any form of sit-at-home directive from non-state actors in Enugu State is illegal and cannot be adhered to. Today, we heard that some non-state actors have been circulating things, illegal directives for people not to come to work. But I'm happy
so
to
this
see
is
that
Monday,
the majority of you
21st of
showed
October,
up at work today.
2024.
Tomorrow I'll be here at 8:30 in the morning. And for those that
Workers
are
of
not at
Enugu
work
State
tomorrow,
took out
they will not get paid tomorrow.
to
Those
their
that
various
did not come
offices.
today will also not get paid today. It's very clear. Those of you that are here, I commend you because you're exemplary.
So let's go to the Biafra Republic government in exile. Let's go to the announcement. Oh yeah.
Biafra mass exodus 2024. The chain has been broken. Mazi Simon Ekpa is leading Biafran out of Nigeria 2nd December 2024. Are you preparing for the declaration of the restoration of independent United States of Biafra? Biafra Convention in Finland will start from 29th November to December 3rd. You are expected to join thousands, even millions of Biafrans to democratically sign out Nigeria and democratically sign in Biafra. Do you want to hand over a new and everlasting history to your children and your generations? Biafra government is calling on all well-meaning Biafrans, coastal to upland, Rome and diaspora, to massively support the liberation of Biafra, mostly financially and otherwise. Our government will not be a player and a goalkeeper at the same time. We play our own part as a good citizen of Biafra, while our government play their own part as a caring and loving government. As we all know, in Nigeria today, only Biafra land are safe. It's because of the activities of Biafra government, Rome and diaspora, Biafran forces, air, land and sea, led by His Excellency, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoku. Support and continue to support with any fund available to you. You'll be glad you did at the end. To support or to donate, visit our website at biafrarepublicgovernment.org/donate or biafrainUSA.org/donate. To participate in the declaration of the restoration of independent state of Biafra in Finland, book your accreditation now at Biafra Security Administration.org/events. We have our own currency now. Buy and spec USDT Biafran coin, Ejemma. visit usdt.bankofbiafra.org. Get your Biafra ID card globally with junior verification. Visit biafrasecurityadministration.org. Have you supported the liberation of Biafra, my fellow Biafrans? How and when? It counts. God bless Biafran. God bless our President, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. God bless Biafran forces, air, land and sea. God bless Biafran government, home and diaspora. God bless Israel. God bless Finland. God bless our friends and well-wishers. God bless our lobbyists. You are doing wonders. Freedom is for everybody. From the office of Biafran government, the great Prime Minister of the great Biafrans, Mazi Simon Ekpa, is inviting all journalists, media houses across the globe to cover the declaration of the restoration of independence of Biafra in Lahti, Finland, from 29th November to December 3rd. Every arrangement has been made by the Biafran government for your accreditation and your accommodation present. Please, for further steps, visit biafrarepublicgovernment.org. Freedom of Biafra is freedom for all. See you in Finland. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Freedom is not a crime.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. See, if you are new to this channel, this is Progress the Analyst channel, and you are highly welcome. And if you are returning subscribers, kudos to you and welcome. So my beautiful family, there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because I give it to you back to back. If you are watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please smash on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you so much and bye bye.